Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm showing you Australian Immi app. So this is an official Australian government app, and this allows you to provide your identity information in support of your visa application, and that includes your passport detail that you're gonna scan, and also your facial biometric image where they will take the biometrics of your face, but only if they have asked you to. Okay, like if the, as it is written here, if the Department of Home Affairs has invited you to use this app, please proceed. If not, you read your the letter for further instructions. So it's not that everyone has to go through it. Okay, so on home you go, they'll have a start identity check, and this is gonna take almost 10 minutes to complete. And these are the steps that you have to follow: provide visa lodgement number, scan passport data page, read passport chip. Some passports come with chip, I have seen in newer Canadian passports too. Confirm passport information after it reads, and take your photo. And this is the moment when your biometric is gonna be taken. So you have to continue. You can read terms, condition, everything, agree, and it is asking you to grant location also. Okay, so I'll do it and then I'll okay, so the next one is where you have to provide your visa lodgement number. So there are two ways: you can enter type, or you can scan barcode. Scanning is better, especially with modern devices, but you can always provide this. Of course, I cannot go beyond this because the system will not allow me, because I don't have a visa lodgement number. But yes, as you remember, all the steps were given. Like it's gonna read your passport, then click your picture, and that's it. That's how, but only if you are asked to. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.